Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to review this beautiful bob, the Roxy wig by UniWigs. She is a part of their new Everyday Elegance collection and I'm super excited to speak today all about her. And stick around till the end of this video because I will be covering all the pros and cons of this wig. And don't forget to check out my promo code in the description box if you want to get 20% off this beauty. I just want to say a few words about the packing. I really appreciate how she came in this beautiful bag. It looks really cute, and from my experience I want to say that this is very practical because when I'm traveling I always think where do I put my wigs. Here you can actually put even more than one wig. For such a budget-friendly option as Roxy, I think this is a really nice touch. Let's start from an overview of this wig. The cap features closed wefting, yet remains extremely lightweight and breathable. This wig has an ear-to-ear lace front that is 13 inches long and 3 inches wide at its widest point. It is equipped with 3 combs, an extended nape, and adjustable straps with hooks, which in my opinion are the most practical options for adjusting size. This wig features a beautiful ear-to-ear lace front, which will give the most realistic fit and melt into your hairline once you cut it. This is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to cut a lace of this wig, and I will be creating a dedicated video on how to properly cut the lace of your wig, which I will be sharing later. Make sure to subscribe now not to miss it. So this is how the wig looks after I trimmed and glued the lace of my wig. A separate video about this process will be available shortly. Now I'll give you a closer look at the hairline, which I believe looks fantastic. Notice how the lace seamlessly blends into my skin, making the edge of the lace invisible. I mainly applied glue to my ear tabs and added just a few dots of glue on my forehead. Next, allow me to showcase this stunning piece from all angles. Roxy's length is 14 inches and the color is blonde with dark roots. UniWigs states the density of this wig as 130%. However, numbers aren't always indicative, as they can vary from one manufacturer to another and even from wig to wig of the same brand. So I would just say that this wig has a lower density, which gives the most realistic look, allows easy ear tucking, and doesn't look wiggy, meaning too much hair. This piece is made from synthetic heat-friendly fiber that can withstand temperatures up to 320 Fahrenheit. This means you can straighten it or change the curl pattern as desired. Let's conduct a little movement test so you can observe how naturally the hair moves. Now I'll demonstrate how you can easily change the parting on this wig thanks to the wide lace front area. Okay, now let's speak about pros and cons of this beautiful wig. Let's start with pros. The first pro is that this beautiful ear-to-ear lace front allows to create a variety of the face looks, and you can do whatever you want with this hair and it will look very, very natural. For example, let me demonstrate how incredible the hairline appears on this wig when you leave the hair away from the face. Whether you opt for a ponytail or secure your hair with clips or bobby pins, it's all possible with Roxy. Another lovely choice is headbangs, which I adore using to keep my hair away from my face. Then customized ear tabs, which you will cut yourself, allows you to use it perfectly well with your glasses or sunglasses. The second pro is that the style of this wig is super cute. It fits well with everyday wear and also for special occasions. This shoulder length wavy bob is so glamorous and at the same time it's easy to wear and it looks just gorgeous. I'm in love with this look. And by the way, if you would like to switch the look, these fibers are heat friendly, so you can straighten it or you can curl it back. You can experiment with this wig as well. By the way, what I love about synthetic hair is that it will preserve this beautiful wavy style as long as you want, even after washing, making this wig very low maintenance. The third pros of this wig is its comfortability. The cap is super breathable and comfortable for everyday wear. The softness of the hair fiber is just incredible. To be honest, first when UniWigs sent me this wig, I went and double checked if it's not human hair. The hair is so thin and so incredibly soft and natural that it's hard to believe it's synthetic. This wig is incredibly budget friendly and you can check its price at the moment you are watching using the link down below. And don't forget to use my promo code, which will give you 20% off UniWigs site. Now let's speak about the cons of this wig, because you know no one is perfect, and also I believe in honest reviews. So the first cons I noticed is that the knots on the lace front are not as disclosed as I would like it to be. But I think it's perfectly normal for such a low-priced wig, and there are multiple tips you can use to disguise the knots on your wig, and I'm planning to do a separate video about that, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I think this is something to be expected for this type of price. The second con I noticed is that since the fiber is so thin, they're also very easily tangled. This is not a big deal, of course, especially taking into account that this wig is not long. And I found that when I use a special detangling spray for synthetic fibers, it helps me a lot with this problem. But this is kind of general problem with synthetic hair. Another drawback is that you'll likely need to glue down at least part of your lace front to prevent the lace ear tabs from sticking out. As I've mentioned earlier, I mainly apply the glue to my sideburns and just a bit on my forehead. This isn't really a drawback, as gluing the lace results in the most realistic and natural looking hairline possible. After I told you everything I think about this beautiful wig, please let me know your opinion. What do you like about this wig? What you don't like? Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!